Alright, so welcome to this video because in this video we are going to be going over smartphone video editing. Alright, so from beginners to advanced. Alright, so this group is divided into two. Okay, this course is divided into two. So we have the beginners aspects, and under that section you are going to see a lot of videos that will guide you through from the basics, all right, and down to the advanced. Okay, so some advanced stuffs, okay, editing, all right. And the last part of this course is going to be about monetization, all right, how to monetize your video editing skills. So those are the three major parts of this course, sections of this course. All right, so let's go right in. So right now I'm going to show you the basics, and we are going to start with CapCut. All right, so we have three major applications that we are going to be using all throughout this video course. The first one being CapCut, the second one being Alight Motion, and the third one being Canva. All right, so those are the three major applications you are going to be using all throughout this video. So there's a video on how to get all these softwares, okay, or all these applications, the pro version of all these applications. All right, so you are going to see it while you continue learning. All right, so now we are going to start with CapCut, and I'm going to walk you over the basics of CapCut. And as we move on, you are going to see areas where you are going to need other applications, and there we are going to introduce. I'm going to introduce you to these other applications. All right, so but for now, let's jump right into CapCut. All right, so after downloading CapCut, you are going to see something like this, the interface of your device, okay, for CapCut. All right, so you are going to see an aspect where you can create new projects. Okay, new project is right here. All right, so you can see new projects right here. Okay, so new project is here, and we are going to see other features like photo editing, AutoCut, product, AI poster, expand. All right, so you can see this is pro version. I'm currently using pro version of this application. All right, so now our major concern right now is to create a new project. All right, so we are creating a new project from start. Okay, so that's what we are doing now. All right, so create a new project, and let me just choose any video or any picture or something. Let me just choose something. All right, so okay, so this is how you import your project. And once you import your project, your interface is going to look just like this. And in this video I will walk you through all of the interface. All right, so this video is going to be a little bit long. All right, so I'll walk you through the basics of the interface. Okay, maybe I'll divide it into 2 or 3 parts. All right, so let's make this a part 1. All right, so the first thing, okay, you're going to see your video timeline here. This is your major timeline, okay, of the video, the main video. All right, that's the major timeline. You can see it. Once you click on it, you're going to see this yellow the lines, okay, the margins all around the video. You are going to see the margins all around the video. You can see the blue margin, right? Okay, so that's that about that. And that's the main, okay, the main outline, the main timeline, the main video, okay, editing timeline. All right, so the next thing you are going to see is this. Okay, you are going to see let me use the arrow to point it out. Okay, we're going to see these aspects. So this is to give you a wider view, okay, a wider view, like a wide view. And once once you want to go back to normal, you just click on the stuff right here, and this will take you back to the normal view. Okay, so once you click on that, it's going to take you back to the normal view. This is where we just finished clicking. All right, sorry for that, that was a mistake here. All right, so and right here you are going to see an aspect for microphone, something that looks like a speaker right here. Okay, so you can actually mute all the stuffs on this outline, okay, on this major outline here, timeline rather, so I keep saying outline. All right, so you can mute all the stuff so that the sound won't come out. You can mute all the videos you are editing at once. Maybe you are working on a project and you actually import videos here. All right, so you can actually mute all the videos by just clicking on this, okay, and it will mute all the videos at once. All right, so this is for pause and play. Okay, you can see it here, pause and play. That's for pause and play. And we have this aspect right here. You're going to see this is for editing. Okay, that's for editing. So once you click on it, it's going to bring you down to, okay, it means that you are ready to edit. You can see the blue outline all around the video. All right, so we are still going to explore that. Okay, so moving forward, you are going to see audio. This is where you import your audios, or basically maybe where you bring in the sound effects. All right, so that's audio. So once you click on audio, you are going to see a lot of stuff regarding audio. You are going to see sound. This is where you import your sound effects. All right, so you are going to see brand music. You don't really need that. Copyright, to check if there's a copyright on your videos. Okay, this sound effects, this where you input. Okay, that's where you input your sound effects. FX is effect. All right, so once you see anything like SFC, it means sound effects. Once you see anything like VFX, sorry, once you see anything like SFX, okay, that's sound effect. Once you see anything like VFX, that's video effect. All right, so and this right here is text to audio. Okay, so let's move on. This right here is extract, and this is record. What's the meaning of extract? Okay, let me show you. All right, so once you click on this extract, you can extract the sound from any video. So in case you don't have the video, you can extract the sound from a pre-existing video. So let's remember, I want to extract the sound from this video from this guy. I just click on extract and add. All right, so I'm going to have the sound here.
If you wear nice clothes, people think you're showing off. If you wear simple clothes, people think you're poor. If you speak your mind.
All right, so that's how it is. So you can extract the sound from any audio you want to extract. All right, so now I think we are done with the audio aspects. All right, so let's move forward to other aspects. All right, so we have the text, and we have we have the overlay. So this is just going to be a brief introduction. As we move on, we are going to use all these effects, all these things. Okay, so we have the overlay. This way you add your overlay. And in case you are wondering what is an overlay, just as the same name implies, is that you want to bring it over your screen. All right, so let's bring this in. So it's going to appear on top of your screen. That is what overlay is all about. Okay, that is what overlay is about. So it will appear on top of your screen. That is overlay. All right, so we have effects. This way you bring in your video effects and the like. So we are going to go over all these things in the video. I'm just trying to introduce you to the interface. So we have captions. This way you bring in your caption. All right, so and we have aspect ratio. This way you choose your aspect ratio. Okay, and we are going to go over this in details too. All right, so we have filter, we have adjust, okay, we have stickers, and we have background. So those are the major stuffs. Okay, and moving forward from now, we are going to start using each and every one of these things I have shown you. All right, and finally, here's where you export your video once you are done, and here's where you bring in your settings. Okay, if you click on it, let me click on it. Okay, it's going to show, okay, the quality. So this is 720p, 1080, 2K, 4K. Basically, the more of the higher the stuff is, the higher the quality of your video. All right, so and those are the major stuff. You have frame rate is usually at 30. All right, and this code rate is also somewhere around this aspect recommended. All right, so that's that about that. So in the next videos, okay, we are going to start using each and every one of these features. We are going to start using each and every one of these features, and you are going to see how they all work. So you are welcome to the Pro Edit 2.0. Okay, and let's go edit like a pro.